Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a sticky footer to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Adding a sticky footer is pretty easy. So what you need to do is simply search for sticky footer on your search bar on top, and then search that in the App Store. So Shopify offered these integration for various purposes, and you can see we have landing page builders, and you're going to be installing with something with solid rating, so you can have a better understanding. If you still cannot manage to get a sticky footer, you can do that by custom CSS from your front end section as well. Head over to your online store themes and then click on customize. You can copy an open source code from internet and head over to edit code and create your own sticky footer to Shopify. So that's kind of simple, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.